Hello everybody, this is Cool Man 10 and today we're gonna be playing Angry Bird Obby. I'm playing this because I'm an Angry Bird. What is this? What is this? What is this? What? What the world? Okay, what is okay. I'm doing it. I'm doing better than the Slender Man Obby. What? A star. Ooh. Okay. 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 I'm doing pretty good. What did you just say?
I said you wish.
I am.
You wish.
No, I am.
You'll never.
Alright. I'm at the third level, didn't die yet. Yeah. Oh, the egg. Oh my, what's the world? Well, this face one is an egg. Okay. What's up, bird? That was easy. Oh, I'm doing it. Come on, come on. Okay, okay, okay.
What the?
Yes, I made it. I made it. I made it. I'm an Angry Bird. I'm an Angry Bird. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Yeah.
What do you get?
I think his name Chuck. The fast bird. Yeah. I made it. I didn't die yet. I wonder what the bomb was at. If I blow up on me. Okay, 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 okay. This is way easier than Slender Man, Obby. Super duper easy. Super duper easy. Hey, yo. Give me that star, give me that star, give me that star. Okay. Okay. There go the face. He was just an egg. A bird laid a bird egg.
I want a full screen.
You want to have full screen?
No.
What's your video gonna be called?
Huh?
What's your video gonna be called?
Oh.
No, I had to die right there. Dang.
Look at my turn.
Dang. Oh, here we go.
Whoa, what's up, everybody? Get your CSB.
What the world?
I'm back here on Roblox. And we're doing best. Survive the killers.
In Area 50.
Survive the killers, but
Survive the killers in Area 51.
yeah, survive the killers on Area.
Yes,
51.
I made it. Okay, here we go.
Okay, you remember last time I found the gun?
Okay, I'm going.
The paper and on the paper it said
I'm doing it.
I have to.
Woo!
I have to get a bomb and one
Destroy
more
all
gun.
the killers.
That
Destroy.
They will kill all of the monsters.
I don't have to
like
do that.
Jason
Jump. Yes, I did it. Easy.
And
I can do this. Do this.
Mel? Yes, ma'am. Well,
A pig.
Right now, I might
The rodeo pig.
No,
Don't
jump. Oh, there's even Sonic already. Gotta run.
Don't he run fast?
No, there's Freddy.
I caught up with you, man. You just have to suck then.
Okay, I got stabbed a little. An alien.
I made it.
I never seen the alien, but I've seen the.
Oh yeah, I seen that little green ball headed alien before.
Yeah, I never seen them. My first time ever seen them.
Okay, I'm
gonna get jump back down.
Oh,
a little 3D
lasers. Oh my, lasers. Okay, I'm doing it. Lasers. Oh. I'm an Angry Bird. That's how I do it. What a checkpoint. I'm sorry. Oh, here go the checkpoint.
Okay.
20.
Okay.
How are you dying?
Oh, that screen. Come on, screen. Come on, we know you gotta go. We know you gotta go pee.
Yes.
Come on and go pee. Come on, you need to go
do
pee.
Let's do what?
Go pee.
He have to go pee. Who still say pee?
On screen. What's it? He gotta go pee pee.
And they're like, I need to potty. Potty. Oh, this is my second time dying. And level 22. 22.
Okay, I got.
Oh, what is that?
Now
Who's
all
that?
I need is a paper and.
That is not Chuck. Chuck is not
and
one.
the bomb. If I could find a bomb, I would
Oh,
defeat this.
I cannot pass it. Alright, I'm gonna go for real mode. Nah, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Oh crap!
At 5 minutes already. Oh, okay, let's do this. What is a Kiki Walker? Oh, I was right there. Right there, where I died.
Man. Gotta keep running.
Bald headed man. Bald headed man to the rescue.
Oh crap!
Okay. Keep it steady. Walk with your one foot. Okay. Oh, I said walk with your one foot.
Where's everybody else?
They left you. They said you're gonna die alone.
Yeah, they can't die.
No, they say I touched it. I touched it. Oh my gosh.
Did I close all these doors? I'm close to me.
Okay. I'm doing it. Hop on here. Walk with one foot. One foot.
Okay, now I gotta go see them people out of there.
How did you pass me, man? Get over here.
Got my gun back.
I need a weapon. The slingshot over there. Okay, I'm doing this. I'm doing it. Keep it steady. Oh my gosh. I can't never beat this. Oh, they broke up their friendship. And I am watching bunk the bunk bed. Oh, this is too hard. You got a shotgun in your hand. Okay, I gotta try to beat this.
Come here. Bring the butt here.
And if I do not make it in time, I'm gonna make another video.
I shot Jason in the head.
Part 2. If I don't make it then, part 3.
Okay.
Not then, part 4.
I did.
Ultra pop. Part.
Yes.
Oh my. Okay. I'm not dead. Okay. Oh man.
Everybody,
look at my face.
Find a bomb, the gun.
It's not funny. You died.
Wait. Okay, let me tell you find a bomb.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm going. Trying to go a little quick.
See, y'all remember what I said last time on the paper. So if you want to read this, pause the video and take your time to read this.
Pause the video, take your time to read it.
I gotta go.
Oh, yes, beat it. Okay, I'm a pro at this. A pro. The pro corn. I want some pro corn right now. Pop the pro corn.
Okay, me too. What? You sitting there with
what the word I do? Just punch the
sitting there with Michael Miles. Look who sits on the sofa with Michael Miles.
Who is Michael Miles? It's Michael Myers.
It's Michael Miles.
Myers. Who is Michael Miles?
I know I did like say Miles.
They probably his name for real, Michael Miles. Michael, go clean your room. Mom, I'm telling you. And I'm gonna become evil one day. Okay, I'm doing this. Walk. Cause I'm an angry bird.
Everybody, y'all don't need no help yet.
I'm getting madder.
If anyone need help, come to me. I will pull out my gun, my little M14.
Man, they go ahead. They can get them a shotgun and then just shoot them in the face.
There's an alien.
I'm doing it pretty quick. Okay, level 26. I only died by 8 times.
I shot an alien while I was sitting down.
I could not do this. I'm in the mood.
Why was my gun always floating in the air?
Oh, I cannot touch it.
Oh, crap.
Go. I wanted this to blue
girl. Leave him alone. I tried to close the door.
Do not touch that wall. I think you can touch it. For the safe side, I probably won't touch it. Okay. The stairs. Oh, the bird. You gonna fall? Oh.
Come on, Sonny, you're not that fast anyway.
But you can play this for yourself on Roblox. It's called the Angry Bird Obby. Okay, you probably already knew that because you
the bomb is in there with
I jumped. Point award. Get out the way.
Texas Chainsaw.
Who's Texas Chainsaw?
Texas Chainsaw. You never heard of
Yeah, I
him?
know who that is, but like, I went the wrong way.
Oh,
I always do that. Go the wrong way.
The code.
Okay.
What is the code?
I can do this. Do this.
Oh,
Oh,
don't tell me what's
it
the
falling.
code.
It falling.
Okay,
It falling.
what is the code?
What is the code?
I gotta find the code.
Oh man, where the bomb at? I think that's him.
Wrong code. Okay, I know that. What is? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 0.
Yeah, I'm going crazy.
2, 3.
Where's she falling? That's chilly. What the flames?
I knew it.
What the flames? Okay. Jump. No, oh my god. They look like they get.
What is the code, man?
Man, you call me?
I need to find the code to that.
Can I come? Huh? Okay, I'm back. Just had to say. Okay, say it's 60 the last stage. I don't know. I hope it ain't. Well, I probably can beat it. Okay. Going. I just went all the way back.
5,
Man,
6,
but
7,
I went back.
9. Okay, let me try this.
Okay.
Oh my god. What?
31. Hey. I need some Doritos so I can go crazy. Man, I keep on falling through the diagonal. Of all of them. Oh, a minute. Okay.
Okay, look like Freddy Spawn.
Eating a cranberry. Oh.
Woo!
Woo! Keep it smooth. Keep it smooth.
Okay.
Keep it smooth.
Freddy outside.
Keep it smooth. Okay. Okay. Keep it smooth. Oh my gosh, what is this little line? Oh, so you created that? He's like, yeah, I created that. You can't pass it, but I'ma try. Oh, you got some tricky moves.
Where is that code?
What is a Kiki Walker? Man, what did you create, man? That's not too hard. Nothing can never hard for me. Oh, you gotta go in his stomach. He got a egg in it.
Leave alone.
Oh, yeah, I thought I failed, and haha. Look at your nose.
No.
I never seen a green pig before. Oh, I beat it in your face. You created this too? Oh.
Oh my gosh, where
I thought you can walk through it.
I don't follow everybody else and see.
I still don't.
Okay.
Man.
Okay. I got my flashlight.
Where we gonna touch?
What's it? I gotta find that code. Is somebody in here?
Okay, I'm doing it. Probably they won't let you touch it for a second. You can take a quick second to hit that like button. Man, y'all trying to confuse me. Like that pig did, but you ain't gonna confuse me no more.
I already collected the paper. Y'all need to go for the gun.
The guns.
The gun.
I always die. No! I gotta unleash my Goku powers. Go fix me a sandwich. Go fix me a sandwich. Okay.
Okay, you gotta find this.
I come every time.
For
I die right there.
Okay,
Alright, peace. We out. And I'm gonna make another video.
Okay.
The
Okay,
Angry
that's
Bird
Evil
RB
Sonic.
part
That's
2.
Evil Sonic. Leave,
And
leave
peace
bro.
out, everybody.
I hate
And
you,
don't
Sonic.
forget to hit
I
that
hope
like.
you die.